What's the difference between a bank and a broker, and why it matters for your mortgage? When it comes to getting a mortgage, most home buyers assume they'll just walk to the bank and get a loan. But there's another option many overlook: working with a mortgage broker. Understanding this difference between these two can really not only save you time, stress, it can even save you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Let's break it down. Banks versus brokers, the basics. So a bank offers mortgage loans directly to consumers. They use their own products, guidelines, and rates. A broker, on the other hand, acts as a middleman between you and multiple lenders, shopping around to find the best deal for your situation. Let's talk about the pros of working with a bank, though. We're going to talk about this. So a one-stop shop. Banks handle your checking, saving, and a loan in-house. It might be easier for you. If they already have everything, it might be easier to work with them. And that is, familiarity. So if you already have accounts there, it's just very convenient. There's also special programs. Some banks offer perks to loyal customers, like discounts or relationship pricing. Maybe you have a lot of money in a checking account with them, you might get a discount. They also have niche loans. Here are the cons, though. Limited options. Banks can only offer their own products. If their guidelines don't fit that, very special situation, you're out of luck. There's a box there. Potentially higher rates. So retail rates at banks, aren't always as competitive as a broker because you have, a wholesale channel. You have more options. It's going to be a little bit cheaper. And a lot of times a slower process. Big banks often move at their own pace, and borrowers, people buying, a home just feel like a number. Pros of working with a broker here. So there's going to be more choices. Brokers shop multiple lenders. They find the best rate and program for your specific needs. Creative solutions. It's great for self-employed borrowers. Broker is. Lower credit scores or unique income situations. It's amazing. Access to wholesale rates. So brokers, they do often have access to lower rates, than what the banks advertise because you have more options out there. Here are some cons, though. There are cons working with a broker. Quality varies. Not all brokers are the same. Like, I'm a broker, my experience is way different than the guy down the street. I can promise you that. Also, my relationship with different lenders. I have a great relationship with them. Third-party coordination. So brokers rely on external underwriters. You got to make sure they have a good relationship with them. So the bottom line, a bank gives you one option, a broker gives you many. If you want a mortgage tailored to your unique situation and potentially a lower payment, working with a broker could be the smarter move. Just depends on the broker.